or welcome if you're new here. Thanks for stopping by the Prices Pro Life with me, Katrina. In today's video, well, it's a quick one, but I hope that it's a most inspirational and motivational one. Today, we're in my revamped laundry room with a quick laundry motivation. Now, you know this is helping me as much as it's helping you because laundry is my least favorite chore. But you know, either wash clothes or you know. So yeah, we're just gonna act like I don't have that leopard bonnet on my head because I need to go to the beauty salon. So I might just take you all along with me. But I'm hoping I don't scare you when I take the bonnet off. Anyway, back to the laundry. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's laundry motivation. Now, I know this motivation was short, but hopefully it got you started, or at least you're separating your laundry. I finished 3 loads, but of course I only folded 1 because the other 2 are, you know, my mama taught me better than that, than to show my to the world. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video, which is Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to join me on this Saturday morning at 10 a.m. It's our monthly chit chat. So let's talk on Saturday at 10. See you then. Now, if you haven't watched my small laundry room budget renovation, then make sure to check that out before leaving YouTube on today. And one more simple little task. Also, I'm trying to increase my shorts. So help a girl out by watching, liking, and giving a big thumbs up and leaving a comment below. I'd appreciate it. Now, until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Now, head over to the shorts. Thanks.